Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to change or to upgrade Brompton headset. This is the equipment we need to make the job easier. Wrench, repair dismount, hammer, lower removable tools, headset press, grease, Allen key size 6, spanner size 10, and new headset. Let's start. Take out the cable. Before you do anything else, open steering bearing lock nut. Now can open. You need Allen key, expander, cone belt. It's very tight. Yes, it's open now. I need hammer. It's out. Open steering lock nut. Before carry on, I spray, clean. Next, remove the washer. Remove bearing race. I don't have any bike holder. I do it on the floor, but it's work, you know. It's time to open the box. Easy. I will clean. Old bearing. I need this to take out the cup. Start with the bottom. The bottom side, the cup is out. It's very tight with hands, so you need this equipment. It's out. Next, clean. It's time to remove the bottom fixed bearing. What you need to do is put it upside down. Need hammer and put some cloth or something underneath so not damage the forks. Just do it gently. Oh, actually it's very easy. It's out. Next, clean. (2014) bike. Just time to change headset. It's ready to put new headset. One is for the bottom side and this is for the top. First I need to install the one in the bottom side. And I need to push it with something is not sharp, you know. Just quick double check, make sure this bottom side is in. It's look perfect. Now is top side, put little bit grease. Let's put it in. Before carry on, it's very important. Coffee times. To fix bicycle, don't rush, take time, slowly. This look nice. To make it easy, keep this on position. Now tie it up. The final bit, I need to fix the brake. It's done. Let's try it. It's feel great. I'm so pleased with new headset. It's time to tidy up. I hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.